Okay, let's do this real quick. Let's bust this out real quick. Whew, all right. It is Kendra back with another. No, we're not doing that. So, if you have ever worn a protective style, whether it's braids, locks, twists, you name it, you know how important it is to take care of your scalp. Because let's be real, while protective styles are amazing to give your hair a break, they can also leave your scalp feeling very dry, tight, and itchy. And that's not fun. Okay. So today I want to talk to you about the perfect products to keep your scalp happy and moisturized while you're rocking your protective style, whatever it is. And that is the BALM Hair Growth Treatment. Okay. Now, I know that protective styles are a go-to from giving our hair a break from all the manipulation. And protective styles are a lifesaver, honey, okay? Whether you get whatever you get, they give your hair a break. They look amazing, they help you feel pretty. It's a form of self-care, right? And it makes our lives easier. So when we don't have to get up extra early in the morning to do stuff to our hair, baby, that is a vibe, okay? Now, no daily styling battles, no extra heat, no fuss. You just get up, bloop, 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 and you out the door, right? But there's always that one thing that kills the whole thing, and that is the scalp. Now, I've been there, and I know you have too, trying to enjoy a fresh set of box braids or some kind of braids, but constantly scratching your scalp. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Your scalp gets tight after a fresh install, right? Especially if you get your hair braided, it's going to be a little tight. Some of us, it's going to be a little too tight. And by day 2 or 3, the itching starts to creep in, right? You start petting your hair, trying to do it cute, but deep down, you are trying so hard not to just dig your nails into your scalp because at this point, it's still a little bit sore. And then in about a week or two, you're dealing with dryness. And then those flakes start showing up, girl, and you are like, what? What is going on? The style that's supposed to help you ends up making you a little uncomfortable. And let's not forget, even when your style doesn't feel dry or itchy right away, sometimes after you take down the style, you know that's a whole different story, right? You got that buildup, that white, brownish gunk and gloop that's like stuck at the root of where the braid was. Your scalp is flaking and your hair feels really, really dry, and you're trying to pull them little hairs apart without ripping all of your hair out. You know exactly what I'm talking about because if you have had braids or any protective style that has been up for a long time, you know what I'm talking about. So we try to protect our hair, but it ends up feeling like we have suffered or our scalp has suffered in the process. It's frustrating because protective styles are supposed to give our hair a break, not create more problems. And here's the thing, while we are busy taking care of our hair under those styles, the scalp often gets neglected, okay? But without a healthy scalp, your hair cannot thrive. You know this. No matter how long we live in those twists or braids, we have to take care of our scalp. And I know that frustration firsthand, especially when I was trying to grow my hair and noticed that my scalp just was not cooperating. You want your style to last. Like we pay good money for these styles, right? And we want them to last. But also, you want to be comfortable while it's in. And let's be honest, you shouldn't have to choose between the two. You should have comfort and your style should last long. Okay. Now, that's why I created the BALM Hair and Scalp Treatment. Okay. It is the perfect companion for protective styles because it is designed to nourish your scalp and to keep it moisturized, even when your hair is tucked away. And here is why this matters. When you've got your hair in braids or twists or your scalp or in a style where your scalp is exposed, it can end up drying out more quickly. So the balm works to lock in moisture, soothe any tightness, because we know that that's going to be an issue, right? And then create a balanced, healthy environment for your hair to grow. So what's inside the balm that makes it so perfect for protective styles? First of all, one of the best ingredients for your hair is coconut oil. And then another ingredient that you probably have not heard of is rice bran oil. Now, these two oils are all about deep hydration. Coconut oil, as we know, is one of the only oils or one of the few oils that actually can penetrate the scalp on a deeper level to deliver long-lasting moisture. And then rice bran oil is cool because it's rich in antioxidants, and these help to soothe any irritation that you experience on the scalp, okay, or right after you are getting your hair done. And then there's Brahmi and nettle leaf. Nettle leaf, let me slow down. These two amazing herbs promote circulation and scalp health. Brahmi strengthens the hair at the root and helps to reduce any itching and discomfort. And then nettle is packed with nutrients like silica and sulfur, and these help to nourish the scalp and keep it balanced, also while promoting hair growth. Okay, these ingredients can create the perfect environment for healthy hair, even when your hair is tucked away in braids or protective styles. Now, let's not forget beeswax. Okay, so for the balm, there are two versions. One is the OG. We call this one the OG, the original, and then there's the liquid version. Now, the OG or the original has beeswax in it, and this is just for the texture. This is to give it that more solid balm-like texture. Okay, and then the beeswax is a great ingredient for protective styles because it helps to seal in moisture and protect your scalp from dryness without clogging your pores. So you're getting moisture retention without all the heaviness. Okay, now the best part, the balm is super easy to use, especially while you are wearing a protective style. And I usually recommend it to my ladies that are wearing protective styles. And it doesn't matter whether you use the solid or the liquid version. You would just apply a small amount directly to your scalp, focusing on any areas that feel tight, dry, or itchy. You know the feeling right after you get braids or some type of protective style that's tight. You get a little discomfort on your scalp. It can be a little bit tight. And this just kind of helps to alleviate any of the itching or the irritation or the tightness that you may feel right after your braids. And you can even take this bottle, put it inside a warm glass or cup of water to just kind of warm it up a little bit. And this might feel more soothing to your scalp, make the application a little bit easier. It's lightweight, so it won't leave your scalp feeling greasy or weighed down. Just remember that if you do use these products daily, as with any products, it doesn't matter if you use this oil or a different oil, just make sure you are keeping your scalp clean periodically. So if you use these products daily, make sure that at least once a week you're doing some type of scalp cleansing routine. So if you are ready to keep your scalp moisturized and healthy while wearing your favorite protective style, go ahead and grab the BALM Hair and Scalp Treatment today. It is packed with everything your scalp needs to stay balanced and nourished, even when your hair is taking a break. Protective styles are all about giving your hair some love, and the balm helps us take that love to the next level, making sure that your scalp is cared for as well. So if you've been dealing with dry or irritated scalp while wearing a protective style, let me know in the comments. I would love to help you out. And if you are ready to add these all natural products to your protective style routine, grab yours by clicking the link in the description. And as always, you know that you deserve hair that grows strong and healthy. My mission is to help you get there. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.